What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with a brand new slime video for you and I'm super excited because this one is super festive for Halloween. Today I'm going to show you some really popular Halloween slime recipes that usually all of the famous slime shops stock in their shop at least once. I am super excited to show you these. If you're really excited, don't forget to give this video a big slimy thumbs up for me. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel to become a unicorn. Here are the unicorn fam shout outs for today. Thank you all so much for being here. I love you all very freaking much for always being early, for always commenting hashtag unicorn fam, and just for being awesome. If you would like a unicorn fam shout out, all you have to do is comment down below using hashtag unicorn fam. Make sure that you subscribe, and also it helps if you turn on your post notifications by clicking the little bell icon. Also y'all, this video is part of a collab with my friend Abraham from DIYs by Abraham. He's actually going to be letting Minecraft choose his slime ingredients, and that's going to be super litty, so make sure you go ahead and check it out. I'll make sure to leave a link down in the description box below to Abraham's video and his channel so you can check him out after this video here. And yeah, I am really excited to show you all the videos, so let's get started, shall we? Okay, so the first slime I'm going to show you how to make is a really popular Witch's Brew slime. You know it's Halloween when all the slimers come out with their own version of Witch's Brew, so I'm going to show you a really cool one. You can totally customize it to how you want it. So we're going to go ahead and start off with some clear glue and some green food coloring. Like I said, you could definitely tailor this to however you want it, but this is how I'm going to make mine today. Now that I have my desired amount of clear glue, it's time to add in the fun add-ins. So I'm going to go ahead and add in some eyeballs and some bats as well. To sweeten up the Witch's Brew, I'm going to add in a little bit of candy as well to it. You could totally do whatever you want. Like I said, this is just the mix that I'm choosing to do today. And then I'm going to go ahead and add in some hearts from past lovers just to kind of spice it up a little bit, you know? Now that I have everything in my bowl, it is time to go ahead and mix it all together. I haven't said that in a while. And now that we have everything mixed well, it is time to activate our Witch's Brew. So to activate, I'm using a weaker activator. It is a half teaspoon of activator to a cup of water. So I'm just going to go ahead and activate that until it is not sticky any longer. And once your Witch's Brew is activated, it should look something like this. Don't forget to over-activate it a little bit if you're going to let it sit so it can fully clear. And then the last step, you need to add in 2 moles from a witch. Yes, you need to find a witch and you need to grab her by the mole and just snatch it off because you need it for your Witch's Brew, okay? We are casting spells over here and you need to get the necessary things. Now, I did a little magic on mine and it is clear within a blink of an eye. So now I can enjoy my really cool Witch's Brew. Another really popular slime around Halloween time is black butter slime, so I'm going to show you how to make it really super sizzly and amazing. So I'm going to go ahead and start off in my bowl with some black food coloring. You don't have to necessarily use the black food coloring, I just like it because it intensifies the color, and it totally doesn't matter if your black food coloring is kind of like blue tinted or purple tinted. It really doesn't matter because we're going to add clay to it and it's going to all be good. You just want the slime a little bit darker than what you start off with, I guess. And then I added in some clear glue and my activator again and it is the weaker activator that I'm using for my clear base. You're going to want to make sure that you over-activate your slime a little bit, because once you add that clay in, it is going to melt a little bit, and that's not going to be fun. Yes, you can also use white glue for this. However, I believe personally, I have found that clear slime bases actually make for a sizzlier butter slime, so just keep that in mind. If you want the sizzles, then you need to go for the clear. Just saying. Alrighty, so now that my slime is nice and overactivated, it's not like a rock hard slime, however it is less stretchy than I would normally make a slime. So now it is time to go ahead and add in our Daiso clay. You could totally use whatever soft clay you like for this, just make sure it's in the color black if you're going for the black butter. And I'm just going to go ahead and add the slime directly onto the brick of Daiso clay and mix that in. This next one is super cute. I love the way it came out so much. This is a candy corn cloud cream slime, and I just put in a little heart container to make it cute. So you're first going to want to start off with this little itty bitty bottle of glue. This is all you're going to need. It's just regular white glue. It's just a little mini version. Just kidding, had to trick y'all for trick-or-treating, you know what I'm saying, Halloween vibes. Adding in some regular size Elmer skull glue to this, and then I'm also actually going to add in a little bit of clear glue as well. Like I said, for some reason, whenever I add clear glue into like slimes that I want to be sizzly, it comes out very sizzly. So if you want a sizzly cloud cream, then definitely add in a little bit of clear glue. You definitely don't have to, that's just what I have found to work. So I'm gonna go ahead and add in some candy corn scent to this now. I'm adding in a little bit because a little bit goes a long way with these fragrance oils, and it smells really good in here right now, just saying. And after I have that mixed well and everything is combined, I'm gonna go ahead and add in some cornstarch. I find that this also helps with the sizzliness of my slime, so I like to add it into my cloud creams and my cloud doughs. So, you know, just keep that in mind. Let me just warn you real quick that cornstarch literally finds a way to fly everywhere, so it's super messy. Make sure that you like get parents' permission if you're making this slime, because you're definitely gonna make a mess. It happens. If you've ever baked or seen anybody baked with cornstarch, then you definitely know it goes everywhere. Now that I have mixed that monstrosity in, I am just adding a couple pumps of lotion. I find that this makes it a little bit softer and also just kind of makes it a little bit stretchier as well. Now's the time to go ahead and add in your instant snow. I'm using Snow Wonder Instant Snow, and this is a teaspoon here. For this amount, it was probably a little bit too much. I feel like this kind of made like a cloud cream slash cloud dough hybrid. It was a little bit fluffier than I normally make my cloud cream slimes, but I actually really dig it and I enjoy it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and activate it once I mix all that snow in. And after activating and kneading it for quite some time, this is what I got. Like I said, it's a little bit more fluffy than a regular cloud cream slime, but I really love it, and I actually feel like it's a great hybrid between a cloud dough and a cloud cream. I've had this heart container for such a long time, and I never really knew what I wanted to do with it, so I decided to make its video debut today. I'm gonna go ahead and stuff the slime into this heart container just to kind of gauge how much slime I'm going to actually need, and then I'm gonna go ahead and divide the slime into 3 so that we can color it like a candy corn. Now it's time to assemble our candy corn layers. You could definitely layer this however you want to. There is no specific way for a candy corn. However, I have an actual candy corn charm that I'm going to add on this, so I just want to go off of the charm. So I'm going to go ahead and layer it from left to right, and I'm going to do yellow, orange, and white. As if this wasn't cute enough, I'm topping it off with that candy corn charm like I said, and I think this is so adorable. Not everything in Halloween time has to be super scary. I believe this is cute. Alrighty, well that was pretty much it for this video here. I really hope you all enjoyed it. In the comment section down below, let me know either what you're going to be for Halloween or which of these slimes were your favorite. I definitely love the Witch's Brew. I think that was my favorite just because it was a clear slime and it was pretty cool. Before you leave, don't forget that Abraham's video is linked down in the description box below. Go check it out and let him know that I sent you. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you all very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!
Whisper your secrets and mine will take over. Swing